Go.
Hey, it's Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. It's an awesome day here at Paul's Photo. I hear word of a speedy delivery. Woohoo! Look at that. So what do we got? We got a brown box. I'm opening it ever so carefully to not cut what's inside, because inside we have Nikon D780. That's right, our Nikon rep, his sample arrived today and he brought it for us to play with. So you get to be the first ones in the world. Now I know some box opening people will give it the smell test. Some will give it the lick test. But since I'm doing like everybody else on the internet, I'm just gonna open this up and let you see what comes in here. There it is, Nikon D780. Ooh, with bubble and foam and all kinds of cool stuff. 24 megapixels, 4K video, swing out screen, the same focusing system as the Z6 for video, fast SLR focus for action. I'm pretty excited about this camera. It's lightweight. It's a little bit lighter than the D750, a lot lighter than the D850. It's actually about the same weight as the Z6, it feels like in my hand. We're gonna put a battery in it, we're gonna put a lens on it, we're gonna shoot some pictures in a little bit. If you come on down to Paul's Photo later this week, you can actually buy one, $22.99 for the body, or in the kit with the 24-120 lens. I can't remember the price on that, but same price as everywhere. Come on down, we'll get you taken care of. And you know what? You see it here first, because we rock the photo stuff for you.